Alright, check it out. Field today, Funday Sunday. One battery for this glider, 3S 350 milliamp. Just something to chill with. You feel the wind coming this way, still left to right. I forgot my pliers, but I want to try this again. I did adjust the top swash plate linkage so that this blade was higher to bring it down. See how that works. No promises. Might attempt 3D on this blade 150S. If not, I got 2 batteries for this one and just, you know, do some more practice with flips and rolls. All right, let's get this glider in the air. Take off. Yep, some thunder in the distance. Could be the wind pushing it to the right. Yeah, it's good. Oh, nope, still rolling right. Try and trim this out. Easy glider. Try doing Cuban. Take it up high, take it up high. Keep going, keep going. Roll it. Coming back the other way. Yeah, it's rolled. Could be torque roll. So I take it it's the winglets. So the tips of the wing have winglets. That's probably why it doesn't roll as good. Try to move the CG some forward. I did put less rates on the elevator. Barrel roll. Just try to do a regular loop. Yeah. Power off. Oh, that was lightning. Count how far that is. Oh, no thunder yet, so several miles away. Got some kids out here playing soccer. Power off. I'm trying to land right to left. Give it another minute or so. Okay, glide, power off. Yep, see the wind kicking it. Slow fly. So just ailerons, no rudder on this plane design. Alright, those kids went in. Probably too much lightning. Definitely a fun park flyer, relaxing. Just chill. Barrel roll. Let's practice some more Cubans. Oop, wrong way. The wind's pushing it. Mosquitoes out here. Try it again. Good. Get some speed coming down. Climb, climb. Roll left. Speed on the bottom. Cool. Try and do a full speed run. Let's do a downwind. This is upwind. I have to give a little down elevator.